mechanical engineering repeatable vehicle. Now I'm going to talk about the components of the car. The external and internal body of the car consists of an ABS body, a high-speed motor, batteries, a spring, a metal conductor rod, two switches, four wheels, and some wires. And the total weight of the car is 0.573 kilograms. And the time taken to complete the whole process is 12.43 seconds. And the energy consumption of the car to complete a cycle is 248.69 joules, and the distance from the wall is 1.493 meter. It's nearly 0.01 meter away from the initial position. And the velocity and the moment is minus 0.04034 meter per second. And my team member is Brent Espar.
Also, I'm going to talk about how does the car move. When we close a switch and another switch is on, one circuit will be complete, the car will move forward. So next, it hits the wall. Both switches change state, thus changing in the motor steering, therefore the car will return. Then the core is slowly united, and finally only the end of the insulated core link with the road. Then the circuit is disconnected, so the car will stop. So next one.
Okay, so we firstly decided to change the material of the car body and the wheels. So in the first week, they were made of wood. Considering the wooden car body and wheels are difficult to purchase or process, we chose to make the body with ABS material, while the wheels are composed of rubber and plastic. So at the same time, we changed the shape of the car. The most obvious changes are at the two ends of the car. So in the first week, we didn't realize the potential impact of the air resistance on the object. Because of the way we operate, the shape of the front and rear ends needs to be basically the same to make sure that the forward and backward air resistance is the same, so as to reduce error. So I will pass it to the next person now.
So our mass of the vehicle is 1.36 kilogram at the beginning. This will make the time taken be longer. Thus, we try to reduce the whole mass by cutting the posterior part to 0.54 kilogram, which minimizes the energy loss from 359 joule to 239 joule. For gear ratio, at first we used gear ratio for 234, but we found that the car was moving too slowly. Therefore, we decided to make an adjustment on gear ratio to be 78.7, and then the vehicle can complete the entire track within the required time, as reducing the time taken from 32.3 seconds to 12.4 seconds. Now, this is a turn to next one.
Finally, the total cost of final design is shown there. We can see that we have 16 parts of the vehicle, and the total cost of that is 23.05 pounds. The cost has greatly affected our final design. For example, we wanted to use more conductive metal bars, such as copper bars, but these metal bars are too expensive to budget. So we finally decided to use aluminum bars. It has the right price and good conductivity.